Oh, video started. Sorry guys, I didn't check the camera. I left it on. Okay, already you have been seen that I have been checking on these two boxes. Yeah, and this box I have unboxed it this one last video. So to watch that one, you all know you can go to my channel, watch the video, and I also attached the link in the description below, also here in the iCard. So let's not waste our time with this one. So let's put it away. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to Qurrahtech. In this channel, I do some tech videos, reviews, tutorials, some unboxing videos like this one, and also some tips and tricks videos which will be useful for you day-to-day life so you can rock the world through technology. And this one is nothing but a mini version of that. There you get the adapter and also the cable, but here you can buy the cable only. Yeah, this costs approximately 300 rupees MRP rate, but I got it for 150 rupees plus 50 rupees for GST. Yeah, nowadays GST is in everything, so I got this cable for 200 rupees. Okay, let's unbox it. Yeah, this is the MI USB cable 1.2 meter and it says up to 2 ampere fast charge. Yeah, this cable really used me a lot and it lasts approximately 6 to 8 months for my personal use. And at the back you can see here it says USB cable and color black 1.2 meter. Yeah, it's very long. So let me cut the seal. Yeah, here they gave only one seal, no seal at the top. So let me cut it. And now opening the box, yeah, it has only the cable and nothing is there inside, you can see here. So let's throw this box also away. Okay, here just the cable is only present and I'll remove the rubber one. Yeah, this cable is also as long as the one you get with the adapter, so there is no difference, just they are providing the adapter along with the cable in that box, and in this box they are giving only this cable alone. So same as such and nothing is different. So that's it about this unboxing video, and in next video I am going to test the charger cable and also the adapter which I mentioned in the previous video. So I will do a chart testing video, so to watch that video in upcoming days, subscribe down here, and in future I will also upload that video and also attach the video link in the description below, so don't forget to subscribe and also to check here. And if you're watching this video lately, that means 2 to 3 weeks after my this video uploaded, so you can check down and see the description and also access to the video now itself. So see you next video. Before that, subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, so to be you can be in touch with my latest updates. So this is Rais Ahmed from Qurrah Tech. Bye bye.